Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, I am behind the camera. So the answer, if you watched that last video, was mayflies only live for a day. Salmon swim up river. Don't swim up river. If you don't know, I will say it right now. Mayflies die in a day. Salmon, and I vision being in Oregon at my grandparents' house on the Rogue River, run up river to lay their eggs, and then they all pass away. Don't be a salmon. If you're in Vegas, you could be a whale, if you know what I mean by that. Don't be a salmon. So live life, have fun. Me to introduce you guys to something. So a lot of people out there are doing van life. I want to do a shout out to Sarah Shamblin and Brandon out there. I watch you guys. And Kristen Schaefer. Dynamic videos, Kristen. You do a great job. Shannon, you're so much fun to watch. You learn every day and you're a very intelligent girl. Brandon, keep it up, buddy. You just make me laugh. So let's get to the point. You guys want to know how to make some money. Instead of doing the Uber Eats or deliver pizzas while you're on the road, wasting gas, burning your oil, burning your gas, burning your tires, and just burning up. So I've been doing this since I was around 13 years old. I lived in Farmington, New Mexico by the Navajo Reservation. And we didn't have anything to do out there. So I painted curbs for the fire department and police department. I made $2 or $3 a curb, mowed lawns like everybody else did. And then I got skateboarding. So I started looking at skateboard magazines. And my first board was an Earth ski. And there was a magazine I bought it out of. And I was thinking in the back, and my grandma said, always look in the back for advertisements. So I looked in the back, there was nobody selling sunglasses. And I saw a Scott goggle and sunglasses ad. And I wrote him a letter. I got a letter back. I ordered some sunglasses out of my allowance and started selling to my friends. They were the neon pink, the neon greens, kind of like the Miami Vice kind of stuff. So I started making a lot of money. Made enough money to buy me a pair of skis and boots and poles. Learned how to ski with my brother. So let me give you a little tidbit. You see my setup here. You don't have to do it like this. You could go out to a parking lot, to a lake, to a river, pop them out, put them right here on top of your boxes if you want. Lay them all out on top of your hood of your car. Maybe even get a sign saying sunglasses. $10, $12 a piece. I have $8 to $12 a piece on my sign right there. But people come up, I tell them my story, anybody wants to help, I say, a little bit would be gratifying. So people have been buying these for $20 from me all day yesterday. I sold the majority of my sunglasses. Sometimes I was selling bundles, but I won't go any lower than $6 a piece. That's $6 a piece. Buying from anywhere from $1.69 to $3.49 a glass. Even if I'm making $1, it's the multiples game. So what I have here is a high definition, what we call choppers. These are very nice. I use these skiing. In the flat life, you get a lot of definition. If you're driving down the road and it's really foggy or hazy outside or a flat light, these are cool glasses. Harley Davidson, motorcycle riders. It's got the foam on it, so the air doesn't get through. It does have a vent on the side here. These are awesome. Polycarbonate lens, unbreakable. Sure, you can scratch them. Anything scratches, but they're very hard to scratch. These are the chopper brand with the foam on it. You can go to Miami Wholesale Sunglasses.com. I'll leave the link below. And make sure you talk to Tucker, extension 705, or Amy, same extension. If one of them aren't there, because there's only two guys there, a lady and a girl, they will call you back. Make sure you put in Marty as the code. If you put in an order, make sure you put in your notes, Marty, YouTube. They know who I am. I've dealt with them for 15 years approximately, and they're great people. Doug is such a professional. Amy is just a wonderful girl. So you also have camouflage, polarized. Polarized, everybody knows you can see the fish in the water. Polaroid sunglasses, you can look it up on YouTube. Type it into Google, they'll explain exactly. Polycarbonate lens, very lightweight. They come in all kinds of colors. When you order a dozen, they'll come in random colors. So I like these glasses for fishing. I don't necessarily like the dark because I got blue eyes and my left eye is kind of whacked out from doing backflip skiing, which you're going to be seeing next year. Yes, I'm old, but doesn't matter. I can do skiing. That's a fact. So, polycarbonate lens, camouflage. These are cool glasses. Get a little bit of idea what you're looking at there. Okay, these are the X-Loops. Then you can go to nitrogen. Okay, these are nice glasses for fishing. Excellent glasses. A little bit of a wraparound. They come in blue. They come in silver. They come in a brown frame, tortoise. They come in an elegant, sophisticated lawyer type frame. I had to plug that in. My daughter's just graduating from law school. Again, you got camouflage. This is a little bit on the white side. There's a little bit of haze in here. You got some of them are pink. For women, you got a little bit of pink in there. Don't know if you can see it. See it right here. You got a little bit of a pink in between on the nose. Okay, so whatever clicks, wear them. You can sell these guys all day long for $10. Go to a lake where the kids are falling off their boat, jumping off of cliffs, wherever. College kids all have cash or credit card. I would say to get Square. It comes with a little device. It's free right now where people can swipe your card, tap it, or just pull it out of your pocket and take their money. I don't like doing credit. Cash is the way I go, and everybody's got a $10 bill or a $20 bill. If you want a bundle, go two for minimum $6. That's $12 for two. It's a mindset. It leaves those guys an extra $4 to go get a beer. If you're thinking like a college kid, okay, it's like, oh man, I'm strapped for an extra beer. Dang, okay, I'll tell you what, I'll buy two pairs and in case I lose one or give it to a friend. Always sell up. If you're a salesman out there, you know what I'm talking about. When you're thinking about one pair, think about their friends who they came with. Think about their aunts, uncles, cousins, ex-girlfriends, current girlfriends, whatever. Always ask, hey, do you think a friend could use one of these? How about a gift for someone's birthday? It's always someone's birthday. Okay? Christmas time. Comes in a nice package like this. You can also order cleaning for your lenses. I personally would just keep the low head down until you get going. But just put these on your hood. These here are around $17. I think I got these for $11. I'll have to go check. You can look under their website under accessories. You'll find the cases. Cases are good. I normally don't put more than 6 cases out because if you have a crowd, kids will walk up and just rake these right off and put them in their pocket. You'll never see it. Never let a bunch of guys crowd you to one place. Always keep an eye. Keep it a funnel, if you know what I mean. Funnel your stuff so there's not a whole lot of stuff going wide. You want to keep it narrow, like this 8-foot table. I believe it's 8 foot, it might be 7. Always get one of these. They're $42 at Walmart. Excellent, hardcore, super durable, pops right out on the legs and locks. One chair or one table is fine. I never sit down. I never get a chair. If you look like you're you're lazy, people aren't going to walk up to you. You want to create excitement. Get some balloons. They're $1.29, $3 max. Blow them up, tie them up. Go to King Supers or whatever. Get helium if you want. Whatever it takes. I don't do the helium thing. Hell, I'll just sit there and, you know what I mean. So no, I don't do drugs or alcohol. So fancy it up. Get people to come to you. Make you look like a rock star. That's the whole point of this. Make some money. Quick, fast way to make money. When you get halfway down, order more. Tucker will ship them to you 2 to 3 days, sometimes 5. You want them fast, overnight them. You're going to make your money up. There are discounts too. When you bundle more or buy more, he'll give you some discounts. I believe if you mention my name, he will give you a discount. I've already talked to Tucker and I've already talked to Amy. They're good to go. So come on, guys, make some easy cash. Everybody needs a sunglass. How many people or how many times have you lost a pair of sunglasses? You're probably sitting there going, yeah, I've done that many times. Or how about you leave them at a diner? Oh man, I got to go back. They're gone. Or you just went to the bathroom, you left them in the bathroom, and you drove off because you're doing van life. It's probably on the sink in the bathroom. You don't want to turn around. Buy some sunglasses. Every single day. It's like toilet paper, guys. Everybody's got to have one. People who don't wear them are prescription. Beware. There are one disadvantage. Women who are pregnant. Okay, now just learn this from the hard way after 20 years of doing this. If people put on your UV glasses and or Polaroids and they walk away, so if it's a woman, they're not stealing them. It's vertigo. Women want to walk away to see if they get vertigo. Make sure you watch that person because if they get vertigo, they might trip over their foot. I've had it happen a couple of times. Other than that, subscribe and like. This is just a cash finance advantage for van lifers, for fishermen who want cheap glasses as a backup. You know how expensive fishing glasses get. These are just a backup, but they perform well. And I tell you what, I have never broken a pair of these yet. So, subscribe, like. If you like me, great. If you don't like it, that's all right. Subscribe and like anyway. Gotta love it. Live life, have fun. Don't be that salmon. See you in the next round, guys. Thursday, new film coming out. Maybe earlier. Cinematic film. See ya.